And we are live. Welcome back. Welcome, welcome. Bit going on today. Bit going on. But I'm excited to get stuck into it. Oh, we'll hit that today. We'll hit that. Won't hit that. Won't hit that. Might hit that. Nice. Nice. Welcome, welcome. Trickle on in, everyone. Let's get everything up and running. Thank you, Sienna, for liking. Make sure you're smashing the fuck out of the like button, because you can be here, be cool, all that shit. Get this up. Get this going. Let's do it. All right, exciting stuff. Hello, Sienna. How are you today? How are you? Good morning, Dean. What's going on? How are we? How are we? I don't know if I don't like this everyone joining thing. More chat settings. Damn kick. Log me out. Oh, that's not good. It's not good at all. How'd you go today with fucking all the movement? Lots to go around. It's very hectic right now. Fucking New Zealand dollar. Oh, rip. That's not good. I want to get right up here. And see, I really hope we've just completely rejected off of these highs. Because I want to fucking... I mean, ever so slightly broke previous highs. What's this? This is April's high. Which was quite significant. It's quite the significant move. So hopefully I was gonna do some drawdown control, and then I was like, fuck, we're kind of coming down now. Do I hold it? Are we gonna keep going? Which I feel like we will keep going, which is fucked, but yeah. What are you trading? Meme coins? Nah, currencies. Evening, what up, Megsy? How you going? This isn't Chainlink? It is not. Dude with dude. Lol. Thank you very much for following. I appreciate that. Make sure you guys start liking. Like it up, like it up, like it up. Let's have a big stream today. Let's try and have a big stream today. You already know what time it is. How's your thoughts on thoughts? Thoughts are thoughting, you know? How's your day? My day was good. I woke up so early today. I woke up at fucking 9:45. Who the fuck wakes up that early? Yuck. Easy white chocolate, don't want to see you melt. Since you have 7 viewers, would you be able to answer some questions I have? Of course, I answer every question usually anyway. Unless it's like some super simple shit that you can just Google, but usually, yeah. Early, yeah. For me, it's very early for me. Very, very early. Come on, let's get this drop. Let's get this drop. Two is early for you. 2 a.m. or 2 p.m.? Seeing as I missed a special water last night, I thought I'd have one myself tonight. Cheers. Cheers. You did miss it, miss the holy water. That's okay. We'll have another crack at it. Yep, I am. Fucking hell. How does making money on the down or going short fundamentally work? Well, you're basically selling it from a trade perspective. So shorting is pretty much the same as buying fundamentally, right? We trade CFDs, and it depends what you're trading, but we're trading contracts for difference, right? So basically what we're doing is we're just borrowing at a certain price and then reselling it at a lower price or a higher price, depending on which way it goes. It's basically what it is. And that all goes through the broker and everything. When did you start trading? 5 years ago. Options, I only do CFDs. Options and futures, I have virtually no knowledge in. Just never done it. Phantasma, thank you very much for following me. Options is complicated. Possibly, yeah. I don't never touch options or futures. Also, would there be any issues with a lot of people copying one person's trade? No. So the only problem with that would be, you know, come down to the individual and if they can make money or not. But no, unless it was something like a hedge fund or something, you know, some ridiculous amount of liquidity that's needed to actually execute the trades, then no, because us retail day traders make up of, I'm pretty sure it's 5% of Forex, the foreign exchange market, and we don't do shit. So yeah, I cannot see that being a problem at all. How do you find a good pair? I trade 16 different pairs. So, I mean, really depends on what your strategy is, to be honest. Are you trading cryptos? No. No stocks, no cryptos, just currencies. What are we doing? I just joined. Kicking back, trading. Let's say they're profitable, 200 plus people copying one trade wouldn't damage anything at all. Nah. No way. Not enough volume. I see. What's your P&L? This month is gonna be fucked. Oh, what up, Dean? Yeah, that's rough. My P&L for this month, we are in an insane amount of drawdown. This is the most amount of drawdown I've had in a long time. We're in 16% drawdown, which is not good. And we've done 4.45%. Yeah, sorry, 4.45% this month. I've scribbled out all my money, but this is my dashboard. It updates automatically. So a lot of these will play out, but I have to determine whether to make cuts on some of these to prevent from further drawdown. So because we're in a lot of positions right now, if they continue to go in the opposite direction, it can cause more drawdown. I mean, we don't get margin called until 70% drawdown, so we're at 16. We've got quite a while to go. This is just where I start to be a little bit more cautious and decide to make cuts. So yeah, but we've done 4.45% for the month, which is again not good. If all of these take profit, if we don't do drawdown control and all of these just play out, that'll be 3% total. So we'll be at 7.5% for the month, which is my average, 7.5% for the month. But it's just, man, I just don't like being in this much drawdown, 16%. Could run it to 20 and give it a little bit more time. Obviously, this is quite a vicious reaction to the New Zealand dollar rate cuts. Like, it's fucking a bit of an over exaggeration, but we are in quite a bit. So we don't have very far to get back down to take profit though on a lot of these. So Euro New Zealand, Pound CAD and Euro CAD are our biggest drawdown factors at the moment. This one's ever so slightly touching out of last week's high. I really don't want it to. I really want it to just reject off of last week's high and come back down, but I'm not too sure if that's going to happen. Obviously, Lagarde spoke earlier and said a bunch of shit. So yeah, Euro, what was the other one? Euro CAD. So frustrating though. We should have been out of this. We just got spread ever so slightly and didn't get out, and then we popped by the time I noticed. Just fucked. Damn, 5 years, was it hard? Absolutely. Yeah. Doing it by yourself. I mean, I had mentors, but they were fucking full of shit, you know? It was only until I found my final mentor that I actually made any form of progress. And he was very much like me, no bullshit. Damn, we're at 7.7k likes already. Let's fucking go. We're about to hit our target. Our target was 100k for the 70k for this week, and we're at 69,200. Is this how you make your living? Yep. Do you mind if I ask how much is your balance? I don't tell people. Do you need to have 25,000 today trade? In America, I'm not sure. I think in America there is some rule in America. I think it's for stocks that you need 25k. I actually can't remember, but not for Australia, no. What up? Say Walla. What's good? How are we? Hi Tom, what up? You Bitcoining or something? Currencies. I do currencies. Menace, thank you very much for the follow. And Kaijiao Pay, thank you very much for the follow. I never understood Forex. I do stocks. Well, fair enough. I mean, vice versa. I just never got into stocks ever. Never looked into it. I understand how it works, but I just never got into it. I mean, like, you're willing to risk per trade. So the risk that I use is 0.25% of my account, and then I scale in at a 1.3x multiplier. My strategy is very not, it's not conventional to the internet. You know, the whole internet scene of trading is you try and time the market using an indicator or some shit that, or some candlestick patterns, or some ICTS. The majority of the internet's just ICT now. And the statistics are probably getting worse of people that are failing at trading. And why do you think that is? Because it doesn't work long term. 25k for unlimited day trading. True. Yeah, I don't know how it works in America. That limit is so dumb. That means only high earners can day trade. That's why I meme coin DGen. Yeah, I mean, we don't have that here. That's the 25k rule. That's so weird. OMG, finally. Yeah, fuck yeah, you got it back. Bro, I tasted Mr. Beast chocolate and it's so ass. Is it? I kind of wanted to try it, but then I was just like, why would I try it? Meegsy, thank you very much for the heart, man. I appreciate that a lot. What indicators are you using? I use multiple. I use a few. Main ones, RSI, moving average. But there's quite a few others. And my strategy is quite complicated compared to everyone else's. 25k plus account, you can day trade unlimited, otherwise you are limited. That's weird. How's the market tonight? Absolutely fucking horrendous. It is going nuts. Absolutely fucking nuts. Mr. Beast chocolate is horrible. I have it. Is it? Finished chocolate is so much better. Probably. Sounds normal. Dude, speaking of, what is this fucking weird shit? Is that what you're talking about, the song? The song is fucking bizarre. Or the market sounds normal. I don't know. I'm a bit fucking, man, the sleep last night was not sleeping. Cross moving average with EMA is goated. Yeah. You need to, yes, come on. Hold up. We are very close to break even and take profit on this, and this is one of the worst ones we have. So just give me 1 second, because I need to just check this. I need to check the numbers. We got a bit to go. Get me the fuck out of this. We're so close. I could wipe out all of today's profit and get us out of a little bit of drawdown, which I'm not entirely mad at. It just allows us to live to see another day, you know. Which is it's what trading's about, capital preservation. Oh, I just leaked everything. Fuck! Oh well. Rip. Yeah. What am I doing? Learn investing. I tasted the Mick Crunch. Tastes like it's gone bad. Jesus. The technical analysis. What's a good way to start? I got 500 to invest. Focus on your education first. If you got 500, focus on education and then try and build it up to a little bit more. Not gonna lie, yesterday I sold a position of 7.6k profit USD and didn't close out. I swing trade. Sold meaning I didn't sell while I held. Yeah, sorry, that confused the fuck out of me. Damn, that's rough. Do you use credit, bro? What do you mean, do I use credit? Hikanashi with cross EMA and MA is the best, to be honest. I've never used Hikanashi. Is that background a screen? Or can you literally see the city? Yeah, I get the green screen allegation. Let's go. We haven't had one in a while. Not the allegation, but you know, no, it's home. C. Breton, thank you very much for following me. It's a slang word, I shouldn't have used that. No, that's all good, no stress. Bitcoin down 8%, 34 days. Are you surprised? Are you surprised? We'll have a look at Bitcoin in a second. Well, good thing we went from, what was it? It was like 17% drawdown to fucking 14% already. Hopefully we keep dropping, but I don't know. We'll just have to wait and see. Just dump, motherfucker. Wait, what am I tripping about? What was I on? Was I on the wrong fucking pair? I had to have been on the wrong pair. What the fuck was I looking at before? What up, Mick? Oh, Bitcoin, that's what I was gonna look at. I don't know what pair I was looking at that was... I was looking at the wrong fucking one, thinking it was Euro New Zealand. Fuck. God damn it. I swear it was, bro, I'm tripping hard, man. Dude, what the actual fuck am I doing? What the fuck? Birchop, thank you very much for the heart me and the Go Popular. I appreciate that. I was fucking Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar. I'm a fucking idiot. Man. Fuck. You must have good credit if you're high up in the city. Yeah, we're chilling. Music on stage and ice cream cone. Thank you very much, Migsy. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, we're chilling. Actually, it looks like to be going in correction. Hikanashi smooths out the candles and makes the trend easier to see. How's the month looking, Uso? What up, Hoover? Rough. We've had a terrible fucking month. Terrible month. We're in fucking so much drawdown just from today. Just from today. I'm pretty sure we were at like... We got down to like 4% drawdown yesterday and we done 4% for the month, and Now we're at 14 because of this bullshit. So, it's alright, but it's alright. It's part of the strategy. So, but it's been slow. Even profits have been slow. You know, if we were up towards, you know, the 7.5 to 8%, I'd be a lot less caring, to be honest. Imbalances and gaps need to be filled. Guys, I think Tom is tied. Yeah. Oh, Wrecked Bones. Thank you very much for following me on Kick. Entered today, and all I say today is sounding like a Rick Ross tune. Yeah. What up, Brock? Oh, we got all the boys in there. Okay, I can't even say that. I had a nice 3.89 RR flat, no partials on GJ Longs. Nice, good job. Have you looked at New Zealand pairs? Have a look. Have fun. Look at monthly or well weekly on Bitcoin. Thanos Timestone, thank you as well for following me. How long do you spend looking at the charts a day? Couple of hours, not very much. I'm back. Damn, that's sad. What's that? Thank you for following me, Kate. Oh, you're the one who gave me the finger yesterday and had a bit of shit talk, eh? Let's have a look at the likes. Sienna 5K. Good job, Sienna. Measy 3.5. Dude with Dude LOL 1.2. PXP 135. Fair King 101. Cade 31. 007 22. Menace 2. Jake 1. It's this one. That's what we need to drop significantly, which is good. We're rejecting out of these highs from wherever it was, May or April's highs, that huge spike. Do not want to pop through there. Obviously, there's probably a lot of pending orders and everything sitting up there that might give us a little bit of a break, but I don't think that's going to be enough to get us all the way down. I probably should have paid more attention to this rejection and put in an aggressive position short. I really should have done that. But it's a bit late now, unfortunately, but that's okay. Would you say you made more money trading now than back when you had BS investors? Investors? I never had investors. What up, Lucas? How you going? What's your views on the US dollar? Will it stay the dominant currency? Yeah, probably. For quite some time. I have no idea what you're talking about, but something about your live streams are so entertaining. Thank you, I appreciate it. Oh yeah, way more now. I wasn't even live, so I was demo trading for 2 years. I never put any of my money in until I was confident and knew what I was doing. What's happened to the New Zealand dollar? They dropped interest rates, and I guess no one prepared for it, because a lot of the time they'll, you know, institutions and stuff will position themselves for the potential rate cuts or whatever, but I guess they didn't, because maybe they were concerned they weren't going to drop the rates due to kind of what happened with the Aussie dollar recently, when they said they were dropping the rates and then didn't, and then there was all this fucking big panic and everything because they never dropped the rates. So the Aussie dollar went fucking nuts. And I don't know, maybe they didn't anticipate this was going to happen. I'm not too sure. Yeah, entered at 7:54 UK time. Caught the drop on the NZD today. Nice. Nice. I saw CPI at 9 AM and I just didn't look at GBP, JPY anymore. Calm down. Hacker. I'm never trading CPI. That shit is fucked. Fair enough. What even is CPI? I just know I can't say that because yeah. Yep. It's inflation. Basically. Bunch of bullshit. Thank you though, Cade. I don't know if I said thank you. I think I did. I am fucked. My brain's just like not working, at all. But that's okay. That's okay. It's okay. Up 20 on MT and 400 on online CAS. Half my CAS earnings going into MT. Not, I mean, take it. What app can I demo trade? A few. Where are you from, PXP? Are you from the US? I understand a lot of trading and you're live, but I've never taken one yet. And that's okay. That's fine. Just step back and until you're confident, jump in. And you can, I mean, again, you can demo trade and just fuck around, and I'm always here if you need help. US. So what I would do is I would open an account with probably Oanda, which is a broker, and then download either MT4 or go on TradingView, and you can fuck around on there. The day my long was from. Oh fuck. Bro, the New Zealand dollar is stupid. Yeah, I know, it's fucked. It's fucked. We got down to 14% drawdown, so it might be dropped again. Probably sitting at around 14. Yep, 14 flat. But we have lots of money making opportunities off of this. Lots of money making opportunities off of this. Lots of drawdown, but that's okay. PXP, thank you very much for following me. The fact you do this every day is crazy. I respect your dedication. Thank you. I do really like when I get kind of like that sort of recognition, because I do, you know, TikTok fucks us on viewers a lot. So I do really appreciate that, man. Thank you. It's very kind. I just shake cheeks. Just shake cheeks and the drawdown will disappear. Nah, that's right. Drawdown's good. I can sit in 14% drawdown fucking every day. Doesn't bother me. This lo-fi music got me chilling. Good. Hopefully it's alright. Thanks. All sweet. If you need me to send you links or anything, I can too. How can I start? Go to my Discord. Discord's linked to my bio. And then go watch the beginner's trading video. This one. We got so many reacts to that. I've never actually noticed. So many people reacted to that. It's kind of cool. We're probably gonna do this announcement tonight or tomorrow. I don't know if I'm gonna put it in the community chat. I don't know if anyone was here last night listening, but I don't know if I'm gonna put it in the free Discord. I might, but I'll probably put like a caution there or some shit. But yeah. I'm in 14% drawdown too. Yeah, it's fucking annoying, but you kind of just gotta live with it, eh? Oh no, I just shit myself. Oh wait, I didn't see this. Anyway, I thought it was just a fight coin. Yeah, what up, Jack? Thanks for reminding me. I appreciate it. Hey, viewers on Kick? Fuck yeah. I mean, we just popped to 20 on TikTok and then down to 15 again. So we're back, motherfuckers. We are back. Sort of, not really. We only got 14 viewers, but when we get back to like the 80s, I'll be happy. I'll be happy. Yeah, smash my head. Yeah, literally. Do we actually have 8 viewers on Kick? That's kind of fucking lit. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Interested in what your win rate and RR is. I did last month's figures. This month would be obviously quite different. But I'll open up last month's. Where the fuck is it? But it changes all the time. All the time. And fuck, my risk to reward, I wouldn't even know how to calculate that. I don't really pay attention to RR or win rate, to be completely honest. Fuck, do not let me, don't open it here. Okay, it shouldn't show anything anyway. Yeah, sweet. Load report, fuck, which one was it? Please tell me it was this one. Is it this one? Nah, that one's bugged, I think. With the drawdown's bugged on it. Hold on, let me load this other one. No, that one's fucked too. How do I get rid of, hold on. Oh yeah, the drawdown's bugged, but my win percentage for last month was 82.26%. R expectancy was 0.37 R. And our profit was 13.93%. I can screenshot it, but I'm just gonna have to squiggle out all the money and everything. What asset is this? This one's New Zealand dollar, US dollar. Would you say you make more money trading during 2024 than 2025? Yeah. Probably close to the same at the moment. Like it's same times. Do you smoke Zard? No. No, I do not. How do you size positions then, or do you just run with a set lot size? So I've developed a Expert Advisor, which is a trading bot, and it automatically calculates my position sizing based off of 0.25% of my account. And then each subsequent trade after that, it will do a 1.3x multiplier on to the previous position size. So it does all the calculations for me. My trades take too long. What time frame alignment do you use to do quick trades? That's not always a bad thing. That's not always a bad thing. My trades take a long time. Like I'm usually in trades for days to weeks, right? So I don't do intraday or scalping. I mean, sometimes my trades get in and out without throughout the day, but the majority of the time it won't. And I use H1 for my higher time frame and M5 for my lower time frame. Tom, do you reckon you're going to be able to have a family and kids off your trading? Yeah, of course. don't use this strategy, then he sits in trades for days to weeks sometimes. Yeah. Impressive. Thank you. In totals, how much money have you lost? None. Lost so much demo money today. Thank God Black Bull offers demo trading. What happened? I think I saw the previews of fucking a couple of messages in the mentorship, but I didn't actually read them. I haven't read them yet. Oh fuck, there's too many to read right now. Shit. How did that happen? Well, we can go through that after. I don't know how that happened, but we'll have a look at it. Yeah. Can I start investing with $15? I mean, you probably could, but I don't think it would do anything. Yeah, go on Coinbase. Is it easy to trade on PC or on a phone? PC, yeah, what Meegsy said, 100% PC. PC to analyze phone to place it. Yeah, you can do that. Feeling too confident with it all. Started playing with settings a bit too much. Gotcha. Yeah, we can have a look. Oh, jeez. I didn't realize the 5% to risk per trade. That's pretty high. That's very high. But that's okay. We can look at that. We can work through it. That's fine. But this is what demo trading is all about, right? It took me 2 years of doing this shit, failing, doing stupid shit. Not saying that what you did is, but making mistakes and stuff until, so just don't even stress too much. It's all a part of the learning process. We've all done it. Anyone that's profitable, half the guys that are in here have learned the hard way too. So yeah, don't fret, don't stress. It's all good, and we'll work on it and get it a bit better. Yeah, I'll read through all of that after this fucking. I love how it's actually so funny how there's 14 of us, I think, in the mentorship group, and then we have like 5,000 times more conversations than anyone in the free community, and there's 500 people in there. It's crazy, actually crazy. I'm up 300, but I'm only halfway to my TP. It's taking it too damn long. That's when you got to walk away. That's just psychology talking. If you've done the correct things, which is backtesting your strategy, understanding that you have an edge long term over the market, and you've seen the losses, you've seen the wins over and over and over and over again, then you shouldn't be worried. You should be able to just step back and let it do its thing. If you've set your levels, turn it off. The spikes today crushed me. Yeah, it was fucking crazy. No, it was stupid. It's all good. It's not stupid, it's just like little mistakes. It's completely fine. Completely fine. I learned very hard way. 1 week made 300. Then the pairs Tom said not to trade, lost 250 of it. Yeah. Hey, good morning, Brody. What up, Eamon? Welcome back. How are we? How much do you make in a day trading? I don't really go by days. I usually pay attention to monthly figures. Thank you, brother. You're right. Just need to hone some more to make it so I'm not in the trade too long. Yeah, I mean, if you don't have the ability to sit in trades for a long period of time, then yeah, figure out something else. Because everyone's different, right? Everyone's different. Some people can't just sit there and wait, which is basically what I do. It's just a whole lot of fucking waiting. But yeah, if you don't, then maybe try something different, I guess. What do we got? Well, meeting minutes. Oh, for fuck's sake. Bro. What? How long does it take to learn this? Depends on who you are, right? Depends on how you learn certain things. Some people learn different ways. Some people take longer. Some people take shorter. You put two people in a room and say, learn this language. They're going to learn at different speeds, right? So how long is this piece of string? Oh, shit. Meegsy, what the fuck? Did I just completely miss that? Sorry. Live Star, Fluffy Penguin, TikTok, Ice Cream Cone, and Koala Refuel. Let's fucking go. Thank you very much. That's fucking awesome. I appreciate that a lot. Thank you. Trading gold? Nope. COP plays a huge role on the gold. I don't trade gold, so wouldn't know how it reacts to it. CPI today? Nope. No CPI today. I should have back tested really, but it's demo money, so I tested with it, I guess. Yeah, I mean, that's fine. That's completely fine. That's what demo accounts are there for. Testing stuff, forward testing. Yeah. But yeah, I mean, you probably could have saved time by just chucking 5% and doing it that way. Which we can always, I mean, shit. I'm always down to fucking, to backtest, eh? Fuck, I don't even know which one it is. It's this one. Pound odd. Let's go every tick. Let's go. Let's just fuck around with some settings. I don't even know. Oh, what are these settings actually? Ugh. The fuck? I must have been doing something weird. Oh, it's 5.5. That's why. Let's go daily and then hourly. If that's even going to do anything, but we'll up the risk a little bit. 0.75% of the account. Let's give that a crack. Yeah, fuck it. Let's go. Let's try this. Pound note. Let's just run it. Where'd the music go? What the fuck? Oh, I fucked up. Don't bug me like this, motherfucker. Shit. Check kick? Oh yeah, shit. Sorry, I got distracted as fuck. Oh my god, hold up. What the fuck? What the fuck? Can we try Himalayan honey at the same time? Jesus. I mean, I have a few honey packs on my room. Okay, Jesus Christ. I'm not trying. Yeah. Do you think CAD would keep the bearish momentum or possibly hit a reversal soon? I'll have to have a look. Bro, what is this? I suppose he said he had an FTMO funded and was using an EA to trade. He was in both short and long positions. Insta failed due to arbitrage. Hedging. Yeah. Yeah. That's pretty funny. Yo, Tom, can I have your snap? Send cheeks for free. Yeah, send me too. What the fuck? I'm trying to be greedy. I just want to see some cheeks. Give the viewers what they desire, Tom, and deserve 100%. He's trying to ignore us. Yeah, time to get his attention, TikTok. Yeah, see that? I told him to check kick, and all of a sudden, he doesn't need to check TikTok comments. Okay. Sorry about that, gentlemen. I've almost hit 10k likes. You did hit 10k likes. Holy fuck. 10.4, Meezy 8.2, Dude 1.4, PXP 736, Cade 167, 007 141, Fair King 131, Lucas 61, Menace 2, Meezy and Sienna. Holy shit. That's a lot. I will touch you. So is that a yes to your snap? No. LeBron from half court. Victus Horix, thank you very much. If I wasn't that, I would say send me your snap too. Red. How many viewers we got in Kick? Is it popping off or what? My hand was starting to cramp. Yeah, sorry about that. But I don't like to lose any money really, real or not. Yep. Currently trading gold on a buy trade, up $30 right now. Finally understanding how to trade now. Good job. Great job. We love that. I slept past my London session alarm and I woke up to my truck getting towed. Fuck, that's rough. That is super rough. Surely we enter here. The fuck? Market up or down tomorrow? I don't have a time machine, sorry. Check kick. My hand was starting to cramp. I'm gonna go. See you later, Sienna. Thank you very much for that. Thank you very much. We got 11 on kick. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. What up, kick viewers? Make sure you follow me if you're not following me, and tune the fuck in. There's some crazy shit coming to kick, so make sure you hit the follow button. Okay, if we don't get your snap, we can get your number right. No. 11 viewers, wow, double figure, really got to, bro. Tom changed, man. Hey, what the fuck? I've not changed. What's your grinder, Tom? Why are you so secretive? What do you mean secretive? What am I fucking meant to be secretive about? Why? I mean, you guys can, you can have my Snapchat if you want, but there's not a whole lot that goes on there. I don't even like use it very often. Like, I only need to talk to the boys or whatever. Alright, we've made 2% in a fucking year. Almost. 8 months. What up, Nate? It's fucking ranging. What is? Oh, your trade. That's fucked. Show us now, or you changed on us. Give us your social security number and shut up. Screen, type it in here. Full court, fade away, holy. What? Brother, how can it say that my live streams are like stagnating? Like, come on. Didn't study once. I got off work because I went out with a biddy. Nice, nice, good job. Fuck it, have some fun. This is confusing me, this one. And what was the max drawdown on this? 6.9%. I made 3.8%. It's awful. Let's try some other settings. I would like to go a bit more aggressive on this. Like, if I change that 60-40, I reckon we'll be choo-choo training into this shit. Oh fuck, hold on. Just got home, took 2 trades during New York session, lost both. Damn. Andy, what up? Thanks for following me. So confused about my TP and stop loss, not gonna lie. Why are you confused about it? What's confusing, sir? What the fuck? Never misses snap. Tom, what's your PO box? I want to send you some beads for... punishment you may call it. With spikes? No, they'll just be progressively bigger. Coconut size to watermelon. And speakers so we can have a party. Dude, what the fuck? You guys are weird, man. I love it. Oh, dude, why can't it be Friday? It's fucking Wednesday. I have not, like, literally, fuck, I couldn't even remember the last time I've said I really want it to be Friday. It's been so fucking long. It has been so long since I've said that. I guess I'm just confused about what ratio I should be entering with. Been just trying to get live market experience though. So you're trading live? Like, are you trading with a demo account or a live account? And the ratio depends, right? So you have to look at what the market's been doing and where you're entering, and if you know, if you're using a stop loss, you got to be looking at where the stop loss is gonna go potentially. Like, it's such a difficult thing to manual trade. Holy shit. That was a big squeeze. That was, yeah, that was horrible. I remember that. That was fucked. Because you're not trapped in a 9 to 5, which is a good thing for you. Oh yeah, dude, 100%. This is what, like, one feeling I'll never forget and I'll never want ever again in my life is the dread of Sundays. The Sunday just, oh God. I gotta do another whole week of this shit. I haven't had that feeling since I've started doing my own thing. Like, it's been amazing. But yeah, I've got a bit of I've got like a yearly event on Saturday and I'm excited to go to it because it's been like a year, so I'm excited. Practice makes perfect. Let's see your clips and say that again. Oh, Jesus. Just lube it up, he'll be right. Plenty of lube and a dream is all it takes. Meezy has experience 100% on that area. Sorry guys. Hey Meezy is like an airplane engine. Don't lie to us, fella. It's funny, I was actually in a one-on-one with Meezy earlier, and I was apologizing because of how fucked you guys are. But she loves it, so it's all good. Demo account, but live just me. Yeah, gotcha. Yep. What coin is this? This is fart coin. Jono, thank you very much for the heart me. I appreciate that. Thank you very much. Is this the 0.5 second time frame? Yeah. Yeah, it is. Nice, I like that one. Yeah, no, it's not actually. This is pound odd. I don't trade meme coins. Wow, damn, say that again. So we're not that bad? No. How do I block and report? What the fuck? Sorry, Dad. Nah, we're good. We're chilling. I get the belt out, we'd hate it. Oh, sure you would. Been feeling so discouraged about pursuing trading because dead ass everyone tells me it won't work. Yeah. It's not, I mean, I got it. You know, I had that. The problem is, right, is a lot of them are coming from a place of experience, right? And especially with this, like with trading, it is such horse shit. Everybody is such horse, like just full of shit and just teaching shit that doesn't work. And so you are almost certainly going to fail. So you can't really blame these people for saying that sort of stuff. But just know that you can do it, right? There are ways to be able to do it. You just gotta weed out all the shit, fake gurus and everything like that. You look at one of the biggest gurus out there, FX Alex G, complete bullshit. Jono! With the fucking sunglasses. Thank you very much. That's fucking awesome. I appreciate that. Sorry, not sorry. Yeah, that hurt my ears, but I don't even care. Thank you. Like, that's very generous of you. I appreciate it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Anyway, yeah, just know that you can. You can make it work. You just have to keep trying, stay demo for as long as possible until you understand what's going on. I recommend 0.75, yeah. Do you day trade? Mostly swing, but yeah. Trading equals skilled gambling? Kinda. Are you able to show any proof that you're profitable? I trade every single day, and this is actually gonna be proof right here. This is my strategy. I just back tested it on full auto, and I can guarantee you it was profitable. It only did 10% in a year, which is fucking terrible, but yeah. This isn't what I do. This is a very conservative strategy. And that drawdown was huge. I wouldn't trade this. That's terrible. Gold sell. Sorry, not sorry. Yeah. Again, I appreciate that. Hold on, let's see if we can pop this flare. Fuck. Gold. Oh shit. I don't know. I don't trade gold. Thanks, bro. Hearing stuff like that is what pushes me to keep going. Of course, dude. You can fucking do it. You can. You just got to put in the time and effort. That's all it is. You can make anything work if you put enough time and effort into it. Everyone can see gold sell. Why don't you show your results though? I do every day. Like real trades or real profits instead of back tests. I literally show my trades every day. Any trade that I'm in, I show. All the time. Bro, I can say you last candle order block. Okay. Should I run up to that? These are trades that I'm in right now. Show that it's not demo. It isn't demo. But fucking whatever. Of hopping on these lives. You're a genuine guy. Thank you. 15 meant. Which site do you use and where should I go to go demo? Where are you from? Zahir. Yeah, definitely hate it. Oh my god. Sure. Not today though. I'm all game. Tom, did you see the TikTok I sent you from Apple user? That's the difference between how we trade. CSI is a really good person to start learning off. He's real to the bone. I don't know who that is. Hold up, we got some fucking. That's okay. I'm not even gonna explain that. I'm not even gonna explain it to him. Whatever. 15-minute time frame. I don't trade gold at all. UK? What's the best UK broker? I don't know. I don't know what the best UK broker is, to be honest. I'd have to have a look. If you message me, I'll have a look at the UK brokers that are good. Fuck, my nose is so itchy. Be careful who you learn from. That's what I preach. Would you recommend swing or day trading? Probably swing. This guy definitely isn't the right one to learn from. Yep. I actually have no fucking clue what I'm doing. Absolutely zero clue. I'm a liar. I have no clue what I'm doing. I'm a fraud. All of the above. Yes, yes. Keep drawing those fair value gaps, bro. They're originally called wide range bars from the 1990s. So yeah, keep calling them fair value gaps, bro. Oz? Yeah. Discord or TikTok? Discord's probably better. Let's have a look at this. Let's have a look at this. Private account. What do you trade? I trade a version of dollar cost averaging, mean reversion, and martingale. ICT concepts. Did you not just listen to what I said? Do we bite at this? Because this guy's obviously not very intelligent. Wide range bars have been around since the 1990s. I've been using these before I even knew what a fair value gap was. It doesn't align with anything to do with ICT. What? Oh. Fucking Christ. Right, yeah, whatever. I'll have a look at that. Yeah. God, my nose is so itchy. This guy's an absolute monkey. But yeah, keep going. Bite. Yeah, whatever. Troll, yeah. 100%. Guys, you know it's a scam when it's free. Do you not think if it was a scam, people would come out and say it's a fucking scam? Not that I've had like multiple of the mentorship guys in here tonight. And I've got a free, you're too small to be exposed. Okay, but whatever. Jesus Christ. Expose me then. Do an exposing video. Alright, let's have a look at this video. I think I did watch it. I just didn't react to it.
All right, I'm about to enter right now. We have a 1 second fair value gap, a 5 second inversion of current structure. We just swept 5 second highs. All right, I'm about to enter. All right, I'm in. All right, I'm up a band. I'm up a band right now. All right, I'm closing. Fuck, I'm out. Let's fucking go. Okay, we have a 1 year fair value gap that was tapping into inversion on the 6 month time frame, through on liquidity on the 3 month. All right, looks good. Gonna enter my long here. Take profit for 200%. Gonna wait to see what happens. Shit, there's another setup. Okay, 5 second inversion, 5 second inversion. All right, going to the 1 second time frame. I'm in. All right, stop loss. All right, oh shit. Fuck! just lost 10 grand. I just lost 10 fucking grand. Oh my. So we have a daily fair value gap that just got mitigated. What is this? SMT. I'm gonna enter
Fuck it hell.
here. Oh, let's go. I'm up 20 bands on my 3-month swing position.
Yeah. I can tell because I actually have payouts and profitability. What kind of stuff do you go over in the mentorship? Heaps. I go over the entire strategy, why we trade it, what we use, because it's quite a complex strategy. I go through quite a bit. There's fundamentals, setting up the expert advisor. What else? There's fucking heaps of, there's like 6 or 7 hours worth of videos. But what I also do is I do one-on-ones for free. So like whenever you want to get in a call, just get in a call with me and I help set everything up or explain more with you. I'll have to see I haven't looked at the videos and fucking since I posted the last one. So the expert advisor that I developed, you get as well. So it's not just like your typical fucking course PDF video content. You get the expert advisor, you get my indicators that I developed, and you also get one-on-ones with me for free. It's like the cheapest fucking mentorship you will find, like anywhere. I rip myself off every day. How the fuck do I even find this? I can't even remember. There we go. Oh, it wasn't loading. Masterclass, the settings, setting up the EA, VPS instructions, MetaTrader 4, I go over my colors and settings and everything. I got a fundamentals video and I go over the dashboard that we use too. Is this guy still going? You should check out PB Trading IRL Bootcamp on YouTube. Shit's comedy. Maybe. Bro, keep scrolling, you got no clue. Whatever. Like, it's pretty clear, but, you know. We haven't had a hater in here in a while. And almost every hater turns into a lover once they realize that I'm not a piece of shit. If it's complex strat, probably would be pretty difficult for someone who's new like me to learn. Not particularly. And if you try and learn something super basic, you're just gonna fail. You already offer one-to-one calls? Yeah, for free. If you had a bot outperforming the market, it'd be bought by a hedge fund for millions. That's not true. If not, that's easy to make a bot and just sell it on TikTok for a few hundred or a few grand. Yeah, it is. You convinced me, I'll do it. Do it, bro. Learn the colors of his chart. You got no idea. What's your strategy? What's your strategy? Rise, thank you very much for following me. Let's go, seeing as you're this amazing ICT! Oh my god. Matt, thank you very much for following me. Oh my god, do we just get a subscriber? Jono! Jono, thank you very much for subscribing. That's fucking awesome. Bro, I appreciate that. ICT knew that was coming. Easy tip, try to get popular. Go against a popular opinion like you're going against ICT. Actually, no. That's not true at all. I'm trying to help you guys. Maybe help by leaving? Because you obviously have like a very closed mind. Bloke probably works at the construction site in the morning and sells his mentorship at night. That's very funny. Yeah, you're right. If you have actually nothing like to discuss or anything constructive, I'll just block you because yeah, you're doing absolutely nothing. When it comes to strategy, hold up. Nate's leaving. See you later, Nate. Have a good one. Take it easy. And it's good to talk to you too. I'll see you next time. When it comes to good strategy, what makes the difference between a bad, get that 10% a year? Oh my God. Brother. Underperforming S&P. We literally did 13.93% last month. But he's blocked anyway. But yeah, just saying 13.93% last month. ICT clown, yeah, fucking. So the difference between a bad strategy versus a good one. That's a fantastic question. Thank you again, John, for subscribing, by the way. The difference between a bad strategy and a good one. So, one that doesn't incorporate fundamentals and technical analysis, right? You need both. Regardless of what everyone says, you need both. I obviously incorporate lots of fundamental analysis into my trading, right? And it helps me make decisions. No, a lot of my trades aren't like entered off of fundamentals, but I pay attention to fundamentals and understand where the market potentially might go off of fundamentals. So fundamentals, and a lot of people just don't pay attention to it and don't understand why the market moves, right? So there would be a lot of people today who had absolutely no idea why that happened, right? Absolutely no idea. That's a big fucking move. So you have to pay attention to stuff like this. You break even? No, I'm profitable. Been profitable for 3.5 years. About 3 years live trading, but profitable on demo 6 months prior, and 3 years profitable. There's been losing months, but that's every single strategy on the planet's gonna have losing months. I mean, on the trade you were talking about earlier. Oh shit, yeah, I haven't even checked that. Fuck, probably not. Come on. Come on. Fuck! It's doing nothing! No, not yet. God damn. Zahir and Royal Grace, thank you guys very much for following me. And a bad strategy, I mean, there's so many terrible fucking strategies out there. A good one, you'll have, you know, high time frame bias, lower time frame confirmation, pay attention to fundamentals. A bad strategy would just be looking at a fucking candlestick and deciding whether or not to buy or sell off of a fucking candlestick and what a candlestick's doing. It's not a strategy. Or having one indicator and just trading off of a single indicator won't work, will not work. And a lot of stop loss strategies are bad strategies, a lot of them. Because it's all trying to time the market. You can never consistently time the market. It's almost impossible. It's almost impossible. Long term, you'll have too much of a losing streak, you'll get in your head, and then you blow your fucking account. First ever Nasi mustache and goatee trader, by the way. I already love this guy. Thank you very much. Thank you. I appreciate that. I appreciate the love. We've had a lot of it tonight, and I love it. Makes me happy. Makes me happy. ICT bros are wild. They really are, man. The fuck? You know, he got exposed for being an unprofitable, like he was never profitable. Fully exposed for all of this. But because I have a fucking wide range bar that fucking ICT renamed into a fucking fair value gap. God damn it. They're also called multiple other things, and they were called multiple other things. Wide range bars, 1, 2, 3 gaps, propulsion gaps. There are multiple names for these things. He just made it something else. And made all these technical names for shit that already existed to make people sound smarter. It's what it is. Like, it's literally what it is. It's so you can sound smarter. And it's like, oh, I understand that. Somebody says that. I understand that. I'm smart because I know what a fucking fair value gap is when they've been around forever. And a fucking break of structure, order block, fucking all this, bro, just all this bullshit. Thank you guys again for following me. I'm learning to trade Forex. Any tips? Focus on the process over the profits. Use a demo account until you are confident and competent, and don't listen to all the bullshit you see online. It's almost all fake. Rubbish. I challenge you to buy? Probably fucking not. So what do you go off? Wait, what? What do you mean? Music off. Oh shit, kick, fuck. Lespart, thank you very much for following me. Collins World, we got some new people in here. Sorry, how many people do we have on fucking kick now? Just I really, damn, we have the same For You page, do we? I'm completely new to trading and have no clue what's going on here. Trying to learn everything before I go invest. Fantastic. If you're still in here, Colin, sorry about that. Took me a little bit. That's all right. Join Discord. Discord's linked to my bio. It's free. Come have a chat to me. I'll talk to you for free. Send me a message. Damn, we have the same For You page. One-on-one. Dean want to cop it so we can tag him on Discord. Mental shit. Thank you again, Lespart, for following me. That PV trading video is actually funny. Just takes a piss out of scalpers and road to profitability. Like these two guys got unprofitable people in a boot camp. One broke his rules and they got him hypnotized for 5 minutes. That's pretty funny. Waiting for the second episode. It's better than Netflix, low key. I walked back in my room, heard ICT, and nearly super punched my computer. Superman punch. Relatable. Daddy, let me teach you a bit about AMD intraday London. Okay, buddy. Fair value gap bearish, Drake candle bullish, honey pack candle for no other name is applicable. Oh, honey pack candle. No other name is okay, gotcha. Better screen size on kick? Yeah, it is. Way better. Hello, what up? Welcome back. 6 Sticks. What are some of these fundamentals that you look for? There's lots of them. So anything high or medium impact, I'll pay attention to. Usually high impact, I'll really pay attention to. The medium impact, not always that much, but it depends. So heaps of shit. Interest rates, CPI, PMIs, you know, if like Lagarde or fucking Powell or member Waller or something, someone's, one of the talking heads are speaking for the central banks. Pay attention to those things. If Trump ever talks. Interest rates. How the fuck did I not say interest rates? Jesus. Which broker are you with? Black Bull Markets. Bro, tell me what you're going to buy, the car, and the house you want. I want a McLaren. And house, I don't know, I like apartments. You said you don't go off candles, so what do you go off? I have multiple things that I go off of. Like shitloads of things. We have multiple indicators. I don't want to give away the whole strategy because then it gives it away and I gotta have the selling points for the mentorship group, you know. But we go off multiple indicators, multiple entries off of different indicators, and fundamentals. And we look at fundamentals. I don't know how to say it without giving away fucking literally everything. Jack Catcher, thank you very much for following me. Bro, in all the trading you've done, how much money have you earned? I don't tell people that. What's the best app to use to trade? I like MT4 because I use expert advisors. Jakarcha! Jack Atcha. Jack, thank you very much for the heart me. I appreciate it. Is this really your job? Yep. What website do you use to trade? I use MetaTrader 4. It's an application. Is your apartment 211? Like 2 bed, 1 bath, 1 car space? Darcy Hudson, thank you very much for following me. Bro, you're in an apartment, right? Yep. Trump tweet can tank the market. Can. Used to work for Black Bull. You with them for leverage? I work for broker in Melbourne. Yep. Leverage. Happy to send you up as an IB or partner if you're keen, mate. The leverage. I need the leverage. Yeah, that's basically it. So, I doubt. And I've been with Black Bull for a long time. Bro, how long have you been alive? I'm 39 years old. Yeah, bed, bath, car. Nah, it's a 1 bedroom. I don't know what the fuck I do with a 2 bedroom. Fucking pointless. Tom, you reckon you can fight 100 gizmos and win? Is that like Gremlins? Gizmo. But the more you fight, the sweat gets on them. Gremlins, and it becomes... Oh, yeah. Equals Gremlin. Yeah. Think about it. Probably not. Probably not. It literally says Gremlins right there. I'm fucking asking him, it's Gremlins. You're not 39? Yeah, I am. The fuck? I just got good genetics. Bro, how much did that part? I rent. I don't want to fucking buy. User, thank you very much for sharing the live. You're not 39? Yeah, maybe 25? The fuck? Could always get you on a pro account if you don't mind doing the quizzes. Oh, I mean, yeah. What broker is it first? I'm pretty happy with Black Bull. Like, I don't know if I'd change. But you said you like 27. I'm 35, 39. Fuck, 35. I wish I was 35. I'm 39. What are you talking about? Do you ever go manual trades on big spikes or change any of your bot settings to increase your profits? I only change my bot settings depending on market conditions, right? So, and it will only be very marginally changed. Axeman 2, thank you very much for following me. We're getting lots of followers on fucking Kick. That's kind of lit. I'll only change based off of global economics, you know, like if wars are happening or some shit, something crazy, that's when I'll start to change it up. But the only thing I'll do is I'll change my initial lot size from or position sizing from 0.25% of my account to 0.1% of my account. And the only other thing that I would change is the distance between we get in the trades as well. So at the moment it's 50% of ADR. I would change that to like 75% or 100%. That's the only thing I would really change. And then once market conditions start to, you know, if it's really volatile and a bit crazy, I would do that. And then yeah, I would change the distance just for drawdown purposes, because the wider the distance, the less drawdown we're going to get into when it spikes up. God, my nose has been so fucking itchy tonight. Holy shit. He's 45. Yeah, I am. With Global Prime, happy to work on comms and cost, along with setting up the IB or affiliate. I'll have a look into it, but yeah, I can't guarantee anything. If this makes millions, if this makes millionaires, how are most not? It's a good question, because most people don't know how to trade. Most people are flooded with this internet bullshit, right? Now, this is controversial for me to say because I have a mentorship program, but the majority of people charge like ridiculous amounts, and their primary income is not actually from trading. It's actually from either broker affiliates or like you look at someone like Fred Trading, right? That guy would make so much fucking money because he pumps ads, like insanely pumps ads. His budget must be fucking insane. And the way to get into his group is you deposit to the broker, he gets the commission for the exact amount that you deposit into the broker. Or not for the exact amount, but he gets the commission, you have to place a trade or whatever, and then he gets the commission and fucking you get into the group, which is something that is also controversial, but I'm going to implement into mine as well. Basically, just help anyone that is using live accounts. If I get commission, then fucking stay, go have a free month. I don't care. Because people use my link anyway. It's just another thing that I can use to help everyone else out. You know what I mean? Even though I've never made a cent from the affiliate link, I think I've figured out how to, so I can probably do that. But yeah, the majority of people come up with some bullshit stuff that says that it's so easy. They promote the fact that you know, John from Croatia turned his $4,000 into $32,000 in 3 months. And it's like, come on, man. Come on. That's bullshit. So, you know, you can make pretty good money safely, very safely, with a large account size. So a lot of it comes down to how big your account size actually is, right? So if you have a $100,000 account, and you're making, or let's just say, for example, you have a $1 million account, right? You've got $1 million done, right? You can make a substantial amount of money. You can make 3% on that, which is 30 grand. You can make 30 grand a month very easily with a $1 million account, and very conservatively and very safely, right? It's not that hard. But yeah, I mean, a lot of it comes down to capital. How much capital you have to fuck around with. Vin, thank you very much for following me as well. Selling courses, yeah, that's what they do. Yep. I made like nothing from mine. You play both sides of the market, say the profit and the loss on a currency. Like hedging? Oh, right, yeah, just buying and selling. Yeah, of course, yeah. Oh, and also, Thor, I do sometimes manually enter to get out of stuff. Sometimes. I should have today, but I did not. I I didn't do it, but I probably should have. What are you selling or buying? I'm in lots of shit. Lots of shit. So if I'm 20 like Brez, I sell solar. Where should I fall in line if I'd look to do this? I don't really know anything about that Brez guy, to be completely honest. I don't know what the fuck he does, but you sell solar, that's a good start, right? That's a good start. I'd focus on education. Just focus on your education. It's the boring shit, but if you're going to want to get ahead, right, you're going to have to do the boring shit and you're going to have to work pretty fucking hard. So when I was learning, yeah, just give me 1 second. Just give me 1 second. If I was learning, wait, what the fuck was I saying? Sorry, when I was working, fuck me, full disability support patient tonight. I was doing some other shit, making money, and stacking up my money whilst focusing on my education. So by the time I was competent in trading, I chucked 20 grand into the market, right? And then built it from there. And did some risky shit and made some money off of risky trades and everything, which definitely helped. But I focused on education for 2 years because I got fucked over by a lot of these core selling people that sell the high life. And it's all bullshit. Hard part is the million. Yeah, of course. Yeah. But you can obviously build it up and you can do some risky shit to try and build your capital and everything, which is what I did. I understand risk management. So to start a 50K funded, pushing 25 to 50% into a live, how realistic is touching $1 million at some juncture? With a funded account, probably won't get there. This is the thing you have to understand as well, right? So funded accounts, and I say this a lot, sorry guys, I do say this a lot, but funded accounts are designed so you lose, essentially. They have extremely high, extremely, what's the word? Fuck, my brain's not working. Strict rules. And the only way that somebody actually said this the other day, and I was like, I've been saying this for fucking months. Now someone big's fucking finally saying it. But the only way that they make money is from you failing your fucking challenges, right? You fail your challenges, they make money. They have to pay you money out of their own pocket when you pass and you make a payout. So what they do is they're going to either come up with rules or have some little fucking tiny little fine print where it says you can't actually do what you've been doing and they won't pay you out. So you focus on your live account where there's no rules. And the other thing is you're already statistically at a disadvantage with trading, right? 95% of people lose. Going over to prop firms, that number is a lot higher. That's closer to 99.9% of people lose. So you're at such a statistical disadvantage for trading, especially as a beginner, going into something like a funded account thinking that you'll actually make consistent money off it won't happen. It just won't. And it's an unfortunate truth that I have to say and people just click away or whatever because they don't want to fucking hear it, but it's the truth. Good question. Okay, yep, let's have a look on Kick. How does rent work for you? I want to start looking at renting, but I see traders say they have to pay in advance due to no set income. Yeah, I've never had that problem because I got this before. Before I started doing this full time. So when I signed my lease and everything, I had a job. I've been here for years, Which would be the way to do it? Example, pay 6 months. Oh, dude, I don't even know. Yeah, I got no clue. That's one reason why I don't want to move. Okay, that's very useful info, bro. Save me changing more than I have to. Yeah. I overdid it on some settings big time. I just learned. That's alright. And Axeman, I think I did explain that, or everybody else did that. Yep. All good. Any questions, just fire away. Oh, what lovely of you. Thank you, Mick. What do you think about the FOMC meeting at 4 a.m? It's meeting minutes. I'm not too worried about it. Cross fingers and pray. 0.25 to 1%. No, to 0.1%. Not 1%. And 5%, even 10%. Yeah, that's fucking crazy. Yeah, I thought when I seen 5%, I was shocked out of 0.25. Damn, 5 to 10%, your balls are massive. Right, so set up for tomorrow, I guess. Potentially. Sim talks a bit about the flaws of props. I don't even know who that is. Definitely not big balls, just more just experimenting. Yeah, give it a go. It's fine to experiment. If you can conservatively get 3% monthly, why wouldn't you borrow money? I do more than 3%. My average is 7.5 to 8%. Apex is known for that. The changing the rules up or whatever. Sorry, my nose is fucked. So singularly earning and investing 20k in the market from a separate job is easier than working. Wait. It's easier than working. Working to obtain the 20k from that 20 to 50% you invest out of the funded account and run through the live. Yes. Yep. 100 fucking %. Because you probably just end up losing money. Sorry, that confused the two. Because you had to put it into two messages, I was a bit confused. What up, Simon? How are you? Fucking hell, 15k likes from Migsy. Holy shit. Round of applause. What the fuck? 10k from Sienna. Kowalski, 2.3. Dude with Dude, 1.4. PXP, 736. J519. Dot, 308. Jono, 242. Cade, 167. Thank you guys very much. Very, very much, laddie. Absolutely fucking fantastic, like. Fuck. Xander, what's good? How'd you go today? Hey, what up, Tom? I'm super good. Fuck yeah. Fuck, I love when we get just like this, even though we haven't had that many people come in, right? We haven't had that many people come in today. It's just been so much better. It's just been so much better just having the constant chat, just going, talking, like, fuck, it's good. It just makes this time go so much faster and it's just so much more enjoyable. I am gonna have to look at this real quick. I have to keep paying attention to this shit. We took profit on something. What was that? Euro USD, I think. Yeah. And we're back up to 16% drawdown. Fuck, man. What do I cut? Fuck, if I can get the slightest profit on this, I'm cutting that. There's so much that I need to cut. And 40 total fucking trades. Jerry, thank you very much for following. Oh shit. There we go. All good here. Sweet. With your current position in the game, what's the reality of you achieving full financial freedom? I mean, I wouldn't say I can just fuck off for the rest of my life, but I'm in a pretty good spot where I could take, you know, a couple of months off and it wouldn't really matter. So I don't know. I'd probably have to do a few more things, and like I honestly probably could from like I don't know. It would probably just be time with trading. If I started up other shit, I probably could, but yeah. Got 2 TPs, so $5 profit, but $15 drawdown. Yeah, there's a bit of drawdown today. It's a bit hectic. It's very hectic. Theo, thank you very much for following. I was at 30% drawdown, then cancelled some trades, but now back at 30%. Fucking hell. Fingers crossed it gets better. Well, you gotta look at the main. Which ones were the ones that you cut? I went 85-15 instead of the safe 70-30 to extreme. No, man, the fucking, when do you ever see 85-15? You would get very, 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 very little entries. So 1 hour. Like, even off this spike, you wouldn't even get it. Nah. Yeah. Fucking hell. Oh, you get one there, maybe. That's like 7 months ago. I'd say that's probably a bit too extreme. You could do 80-20. That's pretty reliable. Again? Not El Riz. With the hand hearts. Thank you very much. Thank you. That's super generous of you. I appreciate that. Thank you for coming in again and showing the love. That's very kind. What you up to, motherfucker? Pound New Zealand Pound Cat. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty much me too. How much did you take off? Guys, follow Tom right now. Yeah, motherfuckers. Yeah. There we go. I put in a buy order of Bitcoin at 113,400. Thank you very much, Charlie. Yeah, okay. Fuck, I could so DCA into this. I might actually do that. Next dump, I might DCA into this and just fucking hold it. Like leverage trade it. Big DCA and just wait for all-time highs. Why the fuck not? I'm scheming. Oh, that was crypto, by the way. We got no followers. Gonna eat like a king and make some work with some ideas. Fuck yeah. Get stuck into the food. I'm fucking starving, man. I'm just probably not sure this is the bottom for a week. Don't make the trade then. So in that spot, if you can throw 20k on a 45 to 55% risk to pull a 3R, why not? So in that spot, if you can throw 20k on a 45, that's way too much risk. I think that's what you're trying to say. 45 to 55% risk. That's just silly. Like, that's just gambling at that point. My strategy is based off of things going wrong. Random number for her. Yeah. Yeah, it's just not how I trade. And it just 45 to lose, 55 to pull it in. Yeah, I wouldn't do it. That's just gambling, really. Too much risk. It's how you lose all your money. What are you looking at right now? That was, yeah. Crypto. 2 from Pound CAD, 1 from Pound New Zealand, so cancelled the trades. Gotcha. Okay. I mean, that wouldn't be too much, so, yeah. What do you think about gold? Hold up, I'll have a look at that soon. 1 year, 1 trade, that's optimal. Plenty of psychology analysis during the trade. Gold, I don't trade gold. I don't trade gold at all. So I wouldn't be able to give you like any form of valuable information off of that, to be completely honest. Yes, bro. Yep. Oliver Vale. Thanks for following me as well. Do you trade with funded or live accounts? Live. Wow, I haven't seen this account in so long. I'm pretty sure it was this account. I swear you used to come in here like 6 months ago. I'm putting 50k USDC into Bitcoin. Good luck. 45 to lose, 55 to pull it. Alright, yeah. Do you sell meme coins? No. Fuck no. What the fuck? Weird fucking song. Damn Troy. Thank you very much for following. That too much risk, yeah. Hey bro, yeah, it was me. Surprised you remember. People are surprised that I remember things, but I do remember things. And I remember the people that come in here. We were talking about that yesterday. I recognize people, and you know, if they're in here talking shit once and they come in here 3 months later just being nice, I fucking remember. I make 70k a month. Nice. Working to understand, not the most educated. So sorry if questions aren't always clear. Mate, absolutely fine. Absolutely fine. No stress. At all. Thank you, Alex, for the follow. By doing day trading. It's a lot of money. I made 70k last week. Alright, I don't know if I believe any of this shit. Ready to get a bag and swing my jaw? Fuck. Thought I ever tried Calvin Klein. What the fuck are you guys doing? Paulie, thank you very much for following me. 70k a week. Want to send me some money? Send me a week's profit. I made 10k a month. That's alright. It's good. Damn straight I did. Actually a fair bit more last week. You reckon? Doing what? Good job if you did. If not, that sucks that you lied to me. Hottie confidence. Hell yeah. Thank you very much for following me. Hottie confidence. I love the name. Oh, it's gone down my throat. Oh, I got on my. Egg whites and sea salt. Good. 5 eggs, 5 strips of bacon. Oh, dude, stop it. What do we have here? Chiagozi with 5 heart puffs. Thank you very much. Chiagozi. Chiagozi. I don't know how to pronounce it, but thank you. That was very generous. Appreciate that one, lassie or laddie. Yeah, get that. We don't. Yuck. I don't do that. We stick to the holy water. I lost 35k on my crypto portfolio in the last month. Jesus. That's not good. First time join you here. Welcome. Can you teach me how? It's what I do. Mentorship's linked to my bio. Hi, my brother. What do you think gold right now can take 340 or no? I don't trade gold at all. I only do currencies. So Tom, drawdown is good to have, right? Yep, absolutely. There is a point where it's too much, and I mean, shit, we're getting there. Like, we really are getting there. Starting to reverse too, which fucking is not good. Slow climb. I hope it just doesn't break through this level here. I'm gonna have to monitor the shit out of this, which is exceptionally unfortunate. Fucking hell. Just fucking dump. If we got out of that fucking Euro card, we would have been fine. We would have been fine. All the Euro New Zealand. I mean, we were already squeezed on Euro New Zealand before this even happened. We're already in 4 fucking trades. And then it popped like crazy. Wait, 5 trades. We were in 5 trades. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, we were in 4. My bad. Yeah. And then we popped. We got into 3 more. Fucking crazy. Why don't you use a bot? I do. I developed my own. How much is too much? Around 15% is where I start to get a little bit uncomfortable. But it's different for everyone. You got the order book there for Coinbase up? Nah. I don't even know what that is. Order book there. Order book for Coinbase. Order book for Coinbase. I don't even know what that is. Am I on Coinbase? Yes. Order book. I don't know what that is. I'm in 7 trades. Yeah, that's fine. I'm in 40. Today is buy, market, or sell. I mean, it depends on your strategy. Do you do one-on-one calls in your mentorship? Yep, for free. Honestly, it's the biggest fucking rip-off for me. What I do. Biggest fucking rip-off. Whatever. Like, I rip myself off. You guys get way too much value for the price. It's fucked. How much money do you need to start? I recommend a couple of grand. You can use less. You can have less. But that's just my recommendation. Can I show you a message on Discord? Would love to have a chat. Of course. Of course. You might need to request to, like, send me a friend request. I don't know. It stopped allowing me to get messages from people on Discord. Unless there was a friend. I don't know. Some can, some can't. It's fucking weird. I don't know why. It's very weird. But yeah, message me on Discord. That's fine. Give me a strategy with a 60% win rate, please. Well, my strategy did, what was it? 83% last month. Was your consideration today market will go up or down? I don't know. I really don't know. Obviously there's big moves off the New Zealand interest rate decision. Whether or not we can retrace back out of this would be lovely, and we'd make quite a bit, but we are just waiting to see. Are you making out HVN ledgers? What are the boxes? They're wide range bars. Also known as 1, 2, 3 gaps, also known as fair value gaps, also known as propulsion gaps. Depends who you are and what year you come from. Swizzy, thank you very much for following me. Would another social be better? Nah, Discord's good. Discord's good. Is it dumb to start with like 50 bucks and work your way from there if you're new? Kinda, yeah. There's not much you can do with 50 bucks. You should set a target for how much you potentially might want to trade with, right? So, and then go demo with that amount whilst saving up and focusing on your education. So let's say you want to start with 10K, right? In a year's time, take a year worth of education and just save. Do as much as you can while saving your money. You'll get there eventually, and you'll be a much better trader by the time the year's up. And you'll be able to start with a decent amount of money. It doesn't have to be 10K, it can be something else, but you know, it can be less than that. That was just a random number. Oh, you're not using Volio. Oh God, my fucking... I feel like I've had a stroke. Volume profile, never mind. I'm not. Your trade's fairly profitable. Yep. Are you a day or swing trader or both? Both mostly swing. Some can play out throughout the day. Some can take, you know, like we had a Euro USD one just before that we got in and out of within the day. So, I got my little pen up. Where the fuck's my pen? This one in and out today. So, extension, entry, exit was here. Dollars in the bank. One that's gone wrong, for example, but not necessarily wrong, just in the opposite direction. I mean, Euro New Zealand's not going to be a good one because that's pretty abnormal. One that's gone on for a little while is this massive squeeze that we've had on pound CAD. Entry, 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 entry. Break even. Take profit right under break even. So because we've scaled in so much, it takes fuck all to get to break even and to get out with profit. So, I mean, I could drag that all the way down here and make fucking 50% if I wanted to, but I don't want to get greedy. But you can count me in, then I'll find you on Discord, etc. Yeah, Discord's linked to my bio. So is the mentorship, so is fucking everything's linked to my bio. How much do you spend on an average trade? Like in swaps and everything, and commissions and shit. I don't know. I honestly wouldn't have a fucking clue. Never usually makes any dent in anything. Depending on how long I hold them for. But my average trade, fuck, I wouldn't even know the average actually. It's my initial is 0.25% of my account, and then I scale in at 1.3x multiplier. So if you put in, let's say $100, how much can you make in a day or two? I don't know. I don't go by days. I go by months usually. What's better, swing or day? Swing, 100%. 0.2. Yeah, with that amount. Yeah, 20 cents. I mean, yeah, it wouldn't make much. What pair? This is pound CAD. We are double top. Oh, fuck. We are double topping at the moment, which is fucking fantastic. Hopefully we get our beloved M pattern reversal. Take that. Give me that fucking money. Idiot. com-trader.com. That is actually one of my. That's. I don't even. Bro, how'd you even find that? I think that's it. I made that ages ago, bro, and I just never fucking touched it. I've literally never used it. That's pretty funny. Fucking hell. Dude, I couldn't even remember that website. How the fuck did you find that? So there's no chance of doubling to like 100? If you gamble, yeah. Like, but you're better off just going fucking, I mean, just flipping a coin. Like, boy, much do you usually buy for? How much do you usually buy for? Wait, what? I don't understand that. There's not like a set dollar figure that I buy or sell for. There's a chance, but it would be manual trading and gambling. Yep. There you go. I don't know why it typed boy. No, that's right. I'm interested anyway. Yeah, of course. Come here. Our viewers actually popped for once. We popped over 50. Why do I look so fucking... I think I'm tripping. Haven't been there. Sounds interestingly not. Okay. That's true, Thor. I didn't have a drink in nearly a year and I don't miss it, and I'm only 20. I didn't drink. I did not have a sip of alcohol from 18 to 24. Not a sip. And I'm 39 now. Oh yeah, Paulie, just let me know, whatever you need. I mean, like, how much do you usually buy in for, spend? Is it like 100 or in the thousands? It's definitely not in the hundreds, but it's lot sizes, right? So it's not like a set dollar amount. When you're buying in, it's lot sizes. The risk would fucking millions of billions. Yeah, we'll leave it at that. I gotta jump off. Have a good night. Thank you very much, Migsy, for coming and tuning in, and all the likes. Holy shit, 15,000 likes from Migsy is fucking insane. Insane. So thank you very much, Migsy. I appreciate that. And yeah, I'll be on Discord if you need me. Damn, you're one younger than LeBron. 1 year younger than LeBron. Making up for it now? Yeah, a little bit. Not too crazy. I mean, I only drink, if I drink, it's once on a weekend. Like, I never drink ever during the week, besides last night when I had the shot to celebrate the 5,000 followers on TikTok. Besides that, I did never drink during the week. It's like a rule I've always had. So once on the weekend, maybe. That's it. So I do go a bit crazy though with the drinking. Not gonna lie, I get fucking pretty obliterated. What trade entry are you waiting for? Not waiting for anything. Why is swing better than day? It's more reliable. So you get lots of, intraday you get lots of chop and just random shit that happens, essentially. If you look at like the, if you go up from like the hourly, H4, daily, weekly, monthly, you get a much bigger picture and you get the big swings, right? There's an indicator that shows this quite well, right? I actually have it in the masterclass video in the mentorship, but it shows you the different swings, essentially, and how reliable they can be. What's it called? Trend. Some oscillator. Lines. No. It's been custom then. Zigzag. This is it. Oh fuck, it needs to be a different color. Let's make it, fuck, what color do we make it? White. Okay, that's good. So this is just called a zigzag indicator, right? And it shows you the swings of the market, essentially. So if you look at like an hourly time frame, we zoom out, you're gonna see heaps of chop throughout this swing here. All right, let's use this swing as an example. Fucking, where is it? Shit. Fuck, how can we do this? We'll go to 15 minute. So we use this swing as an example. There's going to be how many swings throughout this time frame, right? A shitload. I'm not going to count them all, but I do this in the mentorship. I explain this in the mentorship, in the masterclass video in there as well. If we go to a 1 hour time frame, it's a lot less, hell of a lot less. There's fucking 3 of them. You go to 4 hour, there's one. It's one swing. There's none of the market chop. It's one swing, get your entry out. Instead of trying to time it on like a 15-minute, where you're just going to get so much intraday noise and garbage. So instead of all this bullshit in between, you get one reliable entry. That's not the best explanation, but it's an explanation. Yeah. Market respects the high time frame with swing, so with swing you're on high time. Yeah. Yep. Where are you located, Tom? Brisbane. Yeah, but 5 minutes is where you take the entry. Usually all trades are a combo of swing and day. Hybrid combination of day and swing. What currency? Yeah. I mean, yeah. I use 5 minute for entries and higher time frame. I use 1 hour. But mine's a little bit, the way that I trade's a lot different to normal people, I guess. So I'm not trying to time my entries. A hybrid combination of day and swing. Correct. Mine is a combination of day and swing. Swing just overnight, like anything past 1 day. Days to weeks. What currency pair is this? This is pound yen. I don't trade pound yen. It's just open, for an example. In Australia, yep. Are you waiting for London Open? London Open was fucking hours ago. 4 hours ago. Daddy, what up, Finn? Do I know you? I'm scared. Finn Sands. I don't recognize his name. So then why do people do day instead of swing? Because people are impatient. People need the fix. It's like TikTok. Why do people watch TikTok instead of long form content? Yeah. Just took a fat dub from Naz. Nice. First trade list. First trade lost 180. Second trade won 515. Nice. Demand zone. 15 and 5 is entry. 1 hour confirms 4 hour. 4 hour confirms daily. Daily confirms weekly. Yeah. So I mean, I use 1 hour high time frame, 5 minute entry. You can use 4 and 15, which is also what some people do with the strategy. It's customizable. The bot, you can adjust. Scalping. I don't like scalping. I scalped for like 1.5 years on the indices. Hey, what's up, Tom? Do you remember me? Doubt it. Lost Phil. This is making me annoyed because I remember like everyone. I do not. Thank you for following me too. Mr. Handsome, gotta go. TTYL. See you later. Take it easy. Thanks for tuning in. Yeah, I'm not far off leaving too. My head's fucking killing me. How long have you been here? What's going on? Don't trade Forex. Sorry, it's what I've been doing for 5 years. Who turned up the brightness? So it's the Fair King illuminating my screen. Thank you, Fair King. Thank you for the kind words. I appreciate that. Oh, fucking hell. Fuck, I'm gonna need a break after this, eh? I don't need like a fucking 10-15 minute break. Head's fucking pounding. If you're not following me, make sure you're following me. Come on. What the fuck is this? Start smashing the follow button. It's free. It's free. Come on, I want to start hearing the Is this a ninja moment? I can't see a lot of movement. Fuck! Idiot. Idiot. Do you? Yes. What sessions do you trade in? All of them. I trade in all of them. Get your comments, questions, and all that shit in. Only Forex? Yep. I used to trade indices. I traded indices for a year and a half, but got rid of it. Yeah. What pairs are you trading? I trade 16 different pairs. So anything Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar, pound, euro, CAD, US dollar. Any of those crosses, I trade with each other. I don't trade like US dollar fucking Turkish lira. I also trade US dollar yen. Hey, what up? Where do you trade which platform? MetaTrader 4. Can you give a simple explanation of Forex? It's the transaction between currencies. Essentially. It's the most simple explanation you can get. Majesty67, thank you very much for following me. You called that big move down on New Zealand dollar, US dollar? No. I'm buying into it, almost certainly. Yep, I bought into it. Which chart? What do you mean? Is Forex better than like stocks and stuff? Depends on how you trade. Umar Yasmin, thank you very much for following me. Bro, what? Tom, do you have a paid subscription service? Yes, I do. The link's in my bio. It's like a mentorship program where I teach people my entire strategy. I thought you made 70K last week. Or last month or whatever. Yeah, I do. Which I hate doing, but I like it too, same time. Made more last week, true. I hate that I charge. I like helping people, I hate that I charge. Shit. That ain't a lie. I'll believe it. I'll believe it. You trade Paulie? Crypto, I think. Alright, we've been here forever. I'm getting the fuck out. You like my hat? I'm getting the fuck off. I'll be on Discord if you guys need me. I'll still be there. Is there anything else that I need? Nope. Fuck, do we do 2 live matches this week? Maybe. Yes, crypto only, but I'm gonna learn from young Tom. Young, I'm 39 years old. I'm kidding, I'm 26. Are you bought in now or just showing charts? Damn, what's that drop? New Zealand dollar interest rates, they dropped the interest rates. Bad for the currency. Currency goes. All right, you're profitable. Yeah, of course. Yeah, Paulie, whatever you need, let me know. I'm here. I'm always in front of my fucking computer. It's all I do. So, yeah. Let me know. You guys have a fantastic evening. I'll be back tomorrow, 6:45 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. Live every day, Monday to Friday. Take it easy, guys. Have a fantastic evening. If you need anything, let me know. Let me know. All right. Have a fantastic night. See you guys later.
Meow.